Team Airsoft battle. Airsoft 3. Here are the teams. Each round the zones. Each turn the zone strengths. Teams. Sparky joined for this battle. Go to your center. Corey, two balloons left. Tyler, 2 balloons left. Team Tyler, 4 balloons overall. That was a clear hit. Sparky, 2 balloons. Team Sparky. Sparky, 1 balloon. Kobe, 2 balloons. Zone shrunk. Gare, 3 balloons. Sparky, 1 balloon. Corey and Ty, 2 balloons. Cody, 3 balloons. And Kobe, 2 balloons. Corey, 1 balloon left. Corey has been eliminated. Team Tyler, 1 person left. Kobe has 1 balloon left. Tyler, 1 balloon. Tyler, Team Tyler, eliminated. Sparky, no balloons remaining. Sparky has been eliminated. 1 balloon left. Gare's not lost a balloon yet. Gare, 2 balloons. Garrett, 2 balloons. Kobe and Cody, 1 balloon. Kobe, eliminated. Kobe and Cody, you are the champions. Cody and Kobe. Bye-bye.